sa inyo. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Teacher Dex. Welcome to my Mathematics Studio. Tayo ay nasa ika-4 na bahagi na ng ating pag-aaral. Kaya naman kung nais mong matuto, maging interesado, at maging handa sa lahat ng ating tatalakayin. Kaya naman, samahan mo ako hanggang sa dulo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin ang bagong kaalaman sa aking Mathematics Learning Studio. Our lesson for today is all about finding the volume of rectangular prism using cubic centimeter and cubic meter. But before we are going to discuss about finding the volume of rectangular prism, let us first define what is a volume. Volume is the number of cubic units needed to fill the shape. It is the amount of the space that is occupied by space figure. Volume is three-dimensional, composed of the area of the base, length times width, times the height. That is why it is always in the cubic units. For example, cubic centimeter, cubic meter, and etc. What is rectangular prism? We know that a rectangular prism, the base is always a rectangle. Therefore, the area of the base is always the product of its length and width. To get the volume, we just multiply the area by the height. Thus, the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times the height. Ngayon, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng halimbawa ng rectangular prism. So, this is the example of rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has its length, width, and height. So, rectangular prism also has 6 faces. Let us count the faces of this rectangular prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Another one example of rectangular prism, this one. This is an example of rectangular prism. It has 6 faces. Let us count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It also has a length, a width, and the height. So to find the area, we discussed last time, to find the area of rectangular prism, the formula of the area is A is equals to length times width. Now, for this lesson, we are going to know the volume of this rectangular prism. So what is the formula? The volume of rectangular prism. So we have to find the length. We are going to measure the length. We can use the unit of measurement, for example, the centimeter, the meter, and etc. So if we already know the length of this rectangular prism, and then the width of rectangular prism, and then this one, so the formula is V is equals to length times width times height. So we are going to multiply the measurement of this length, the measurement of this width, and the measurement of this height. Ihanda natin ang ating sarili para sa ating pagsusulit.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hanggang sa muling pagkikita, ito si Teacher Dex. Binabati kita ng congratulations kung sakaling tama ang iyong sagot. At kung hindi naman, huwag kang mag-alala sapagkat pwede mong balikan ang ating video lessons. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Paalam!